Can I ask Ryan a question?
Please.
I think, what are your thoughts on gamification of training? In other words, how do we make this stuff fun?
Yeah.
Or at least semi-interesting to do it for folks? And I think about that because I'm thinking, I got 4 kids. They all play way too many video games, but I watch them as they're navigating it, and they very quickly kind of pick up on the dynamics of the game based on how the game is laid out. It's again, going back to that intuitiveness of it, and it makes it kind of fun as they're learning. What are your thoughts on gamification of training?
So gamification is something that I flirted with for a long time. I'm not the biggest proponent of gamification. I actually fall into the make training relevant and as short as possible, where gamification can take that away. I've seen gamification done really, really well and work. The simplest example is like a Jeopardy game to test out. So we recently developed that for a client where new providers come on board, they go through the Jeopardy game, and if they score high enough, they don't need to take the training. They already know the EPIC system. So that's an example of gamification where it's worked, but I've also seen it not work and go, well, what does collecting diamonds have to do with my job? But I think that there's aspects of it is when you actually need to test someone, gamification is good. But when you're actually teaching them workflows, it tends to fall short, and it often seems a little hokey. On the flip side, badges, people love badges. So getting physician champions to create micro learning best practices, to record themselves in a 1-minute video of, hey, here's how I do it, that we can send out to everyone. And then the more people that watch the video, they get a badge. Those people love badges. We're taught from a very young age that the gold star is the thing, right? So you ate all your fruit at snack time, here's a gold star. That still works today.